Kigali Doctor Commissional Kakiru call to 507-871-06698.
I'm turning dials, but the signal won't come through. Just a white noise ceiling where I used to find you. I'm tracing shadows alone now on the kitchen floor, while the ghosts in my bed keep on asking for more. I try to sweep the hallway, try to clear the air, but I find echoes of your name in every empty chair. The calendar is lying, saying time is moving fast, but I'm a prisoner of a forever that didn't last. And I'm left in the static, just a flickering light, breaking in slow motion in the middle of the night. I'm following these maps to nowhere hearts, watching as the seams of my world pull apart. It's a hollow kind of living, it's a bitter kind of roll, when you're walking through the world with only half a soul. To the house, but I couldn't go inside, to the wreckage of our home where the promises died. I stood on the driveway as the rain started to splash, watching the memories of love turn to ash. The neighbor's dog is barking at a car that isn't yours, and I'm still checking locks on all the phantom doors. I wanna scream your name until my throat starts to bleed, but the silence is the only thing I no longer need, 'cause I'm left in the static, just a flickering light, breaking in slow motion